Hi fellow designers, you're welcome to another tutorial video. I'll be showing you how I created this shape on Pixellab. Something like this, look at. So you can use this to add some spice to your design instead of using the normal footer that we know, like something like this. Instead of making it like this, you can always do something like this for your footer, for your design, where you add your contact details and more. Instead of doing like this, just straight like this, you can use this one instead. So let me show you how to create it. The first thing, let me log this layer. So go to Bezier, click on Bezier. After clicking on Bezier, just calm down, move down to actions. You'll notice that there are 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 actions in this place. Then you click on the second one, this place that is plus, click there, then tap on your screen like this, tap on your screen again at this point, then you click on, you notice that there are 5 actions there before, but now there are 4 actions. Then you click on this second one to close it up. So after doing that, you move up to Bezier mode. There are 3 Bezier modes there, but it's this second one that I'll be using. So click on the second Bezier mode, click here to adjust it, then you drag that upside, you drag it down just to like close it up. So after doing that, you drag this up part, you drag it down because that's the main side we'll be using. Then you just adjust this one like this, you get. Then you can just close it up. We will not be needing this side at all because they'll be in this other part. The main part we'll be needing is this one like this. So after doing that, you move down to opacity. You'll notice that the opacity is 0. Then you increase it to 100. After doing that, the stroke with reduce it to 0. Then you change the color of this one to just give it any color of your choice, but I'll be giving it this one. Then you click on the good icon. After doing that, increase the size like this. So you'll notice that there's some things there, something like this, all these things that are there like this. So you just click here, click on edit, click on the good icon back. You'll notice that it has disappeared. So after doing that, scroll down to inner shadow, click on it and enable the inner shadow. So after enabling it, increase the blur radius to 25. So after doing that, scroll down to offset Y, then increase the offset Y to about 35 or 36. 35 is okay. So you'll notice that the inner shadow is too black, Then you click on that plus icon, the plus icon in that in the color side. Click on the plus icon, then reduce the opacity of the color of the black of the inner shadow by dragging that part. Can you see now that it's perfect? It's not too dark and it's not too light. So this is perfect for your design. If you want to do it, is perfect. That you just reduce the opacity a little bit to your taste depending on what you're working on. So it is perfect this way. You can also add texture to your shape, to this shape. Yes, you can add texture to it. You can get texture from Pinterest, Google and all of that. So this is the texture. You can increase the scale and reduce the scale however you want it to be. Okay, so that's just it. Okay, so let me show you how you can use this on your design. Let me save this one first because I might need it later. So I'm going to show you. I used it recently on one of my designs. You can also use it as the footer of your design so that you will not be confused that, okay, how can I infuse this in my designs and all. So let me just show you for my project. Just hold on a little bit. Okay, so look at this part, look at the footer. It's this shape that I just told you that I used on it, but I did not add texture because it does not really need it. The design I'm working on does not really need the texture. I think it's just okay this way. You can use it to add your contact information instead of just using the normal footer that we all know. You can always use this as your design footer, you understand? So it will make your design come out nice and more good. Maybe you can just use it to add some spice to your designs and all of that. So that's just it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.